How to rotate a video, clip or footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your videos so it's highlighted and scroll to the right. Transform next to volume and expand. Click the second option which says rotate and see Capcut Mobile will your video completely for free. Another way that you can do this as well, click your video, pinch and drag to the right, left, and as you can see Capcut Mobile will do the exact same thing. Let's say we want this to slowly rotate in and out. Then basically click the undo. Beginning, click the keyframe icon to add a keyframe, or this diamond icon you selected and highlighted. Here click another keyframe and then now pinch and scroll to the right. And now you have successfully rotated or how to rotate a video in Capcut Mobile completely for free.